Well, here's a really cool tool that I love. Since I work with reference photos, this is a tool that holds the iPad, and you can move it around and you can zoom in on your picture and zoom out on your picture. So the way that it works is there's a clamp. I've got it a little bit crooked, and it just screws in. And then there's this long neck that bends. Let me turn that sideways so you can see it. So you can twist it around however you want it. The back of it, it has a very tight spring that's holding the iPad in position. And what I do is I set up the picture that I'm working on. I can go ahead and paint on my picture and refer to the iPad. So this part here is spring loaded, so it holds very strongly. And I just love this thing so that I can get in on all those details while I'm painting. I got this on Amazon, and I'll give you the information. So here's tool number 2. So this is one of the really cool tools I found. This is to keep my alcohol inks in, and I've gone through lots of different generations, and this is the one I'm really happy with. This is a product called Snapware, and in this case I've got 2 layers that snap together. So you can, it's got a handle on it, you can snap it to open it up, see all your inks inside. You can also take this layer off and go to the layer below where you have your inks all laid out by color. I do like to just get some foam, cut the foam up and put that between the rows, and it keeps everything really nice and still, and I don't have any spilling, and it's easy to take this anywhere I might want to go where I need to carry my inks. So it snaps in there. This side snaps. Go ahead and bring around, show you. That side snaps, and it closes up, and it's easy to carry and very portable. And finally, tool number 3. So here's another really cool tool. This is a little paper cutter from Fiskars. And the way it works is it's got a little rail here, and this has got a little teeny blade in this piece of plastic. You set your paper inside the paper cutter and slide to slice it. It also has an arm that comes out, so if you need something to be bigger, like we want to be 6 inches, you can use that arm, slice it, and it's cut your paper. To make your next cut, I like to do my Yupos in quarters. This works beautifully. And there's replacements of these, but I've used mine for about 3 years and never needed any yet. Folds up, really light, easy to deal with.